Blizzard warning. Although we are still going ice fishing, guys, welcome back to another episode of Emba's Outdoors. Today, probably the most dangerous episode filmed on this channel. Got probably 40-mile-an-hour winds right now. It's crazy right now. No snow yet. Apparently 6 to 7 inches of snow is what I heard. We'll see how that goes. But like I said, probably the most dangerous episode we're going to be filmed on this channel. This should be some fun. I mean, getting pounded with snow. Hopefully we can get some fish. That's my goal today. Look at that. Big old snowstorm coming from the Dakotas. Oh, this is going to be some fun. I'm honestly kind of a little nervous. But, big old snowstorm. This should be some fun. Let's do it. Yikes. That's some wind right there. I got my gear right there. Got the auger up there, which is kind of loose, but I'm not going to floor it or anything, especially in this wind. Everything's secure back here. That's not secure at all, so this should be interesting, folks. Alright, guarantee you can't hear me. We're going to the other lake. I don't trust this. The wind's going to blow away that ice and I'm going to be stranded. Alright. Here we go. Oh no, my helmet! My helmet's in my head and I don't want it to fall off. My helmet's going to fly off. Here we go. Out on the ice. My helmet! No! Sure, that's good for the helmets, huh? No, come back! Come back! You come back here right now. I don't want to leave it on the four-wheeler. Helmet's all drenched, mud. Alrighty. We made it about, I don't know, 50 yards from shore. Just gonna drill a hole here. I don't want to go too far. Yeah, this thing broke. Broke while we're up on Red Lake. Yeah, we broke while we're on Red Lake, so that's nice. I don't want to go away though. Alright. Whoa! This is a bad idea. Come back! Alright. You got a leash now. You have leash. You've lost your privileges. I hope the battery's charged. I don't have ice cleats and I can't drill a hole. Oh, wow. No, my helmet! Come back! No! No! Come back! No! 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 Come back! Come back here right now! Come back! Come back! No! Stop! You're under arrest! Come back! You're under arrest! No! Stop! Got it. I got it. You ready, folks? Just got a alert from my phone. Snow starting in 10 minutes. I mean, we don't have a bad amount of ice here. I'd say 6 inches. I measured it yesterday. You guys can't see a thing. 6 inches of ice. No! 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 Stop that! Stop that! Stop that! You guys, my bucket's gone! No! Vexor, get back here! No! Oh, I just stopped it! This is a bad idea! My bucket's going! Everything, stop! You guys are all under arrest. You've been bad boys. Holy! This is a horrible idea. This is not a good idea. All my stuff just went everywhere. That is not fun. Come back here! Hey! Hey! You get back! No! No! You're not going to go towards that creek. You're not going to go towards that creek. Stop. 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 I'm not going to chase you down in the creek. No, come back. Don't go that way. You don't know the dangers of going towards the creek on ice. Stop. Oh, what am I doing? I want to give up. I'm giving up. This is a horrible idea. No. Stop. You stop that. I'm giving up. Stay there. But whoever they are, look at this freezing rain. Alright. Stay right there. Right on top of the stump. You're not going anywhere. Oh, now I gotta rescue my auger. Oh no. Why would I do this? 60-mile-an-hour winds, boys. That's not good. Gotta save this auger quick. Then I'm giving up. I don't care. I don't care what you say. I'm giving up. Feeling we're not gonna be fishing for a little bit. We got rain. Literal rain. what the heck? What was I thinking? At least this walk back's gonna be easy because the wind starts my back. I'm so dumb. What was I thinking? What if the four-wheeler doesn't start? That'd be something. Look, I'm blowing across the ice. Look at this. Watch. I'll slide a little bit and I'll keep getting carried. Okay, that one's lame because there's no wind. Look at this. I'm getting blown across the ice. I'm gonna go pull the four-wheeler around. Who does this? Like, honestly. Who's this stupid? Oh, no problem. No problem. Starts up like nothing. Put the parking brake on. This is nuts. This was not a good trip. Look at that. How do I see out of that? I hope this isn't drenched on the inside. Cover. Oh, wow. Wind. You just calm down for probably 3 minutes. I need to get home, please. Just like that. And then do we just flip the tape around? Oh, this tape isn't even sticky. What the heck? Alright, looks like we're going home without that on the thing. We got it. Everything somewhat secure. Let's go. I'm ready to get out of here. This was such a dumb idea. I hope the roads aren't bad. Try not to go too quick because I got some cargo on. Otherwise I'd rip up here. Oh, it's slippery. I'm just taking my time. There's so many cars driving around. I'm just trying to get home in one piece. That's my goal. Well, update. I made it back. In one piece. Everything's freezing up. Tires freezing up. Four-wheeler freezing up. That was dumb.